After making the video on what to look out for when you are buying the bead plates, these conversations came up in the comment section. So I reached out to NanaGh's craft and she showed me how to resolve it. And here am I with the lesson as taught by NanaGh's craft. Please thank her in the comment section on our behalf. I'm using 2 plates, fish line 0.6 and some sugar beads. You may use any color of your choice. Start by stringing 3 beads. After that, I'll pick the 4th bead and cross thread or knot in it. With this, we weave directly around the plate. So I have put the mat I have on the plate. I will pass the fish line through any of the holes and then bring it out and pass it again through the same bead that it came out from. I'll then pick 3 beads and put one on each of the lines and cross thread or knot in the 4th. Again, the left line will go through the 2nd hole and then come out and enter the same bead that it went through the hole from. Again, I'll pick 3 beads, put one on each of the lines and then cross thread, after which I'll go through hole number 3. So I'll pick 3 beads again and continue the same cycle, but this time round I am going to go through hole number 3 twice. So I am weaving in hole number 3 2 times. She mentioned that I should weave twice in every 3rd hole. So what I mean is, after this, the next hole will be 1, the next will be 2, the next will be 3. But I realized that at a point when I get to the 3rd hole, the interval between that and the 4th will be normal. So I will skip, and when I get to the 4th, I'll rather work twice in the 4th bead. So you use your you use your intuition. You use your own judgment to see which of the holes you would work twice in or not. So find in the comment section the number of holes there are on this abnormal plate and that of the normal. But with this, out of the 36 holes, I weaved 34 times. So the mat was 34 times longer. So the mathematicians, do your calculations here. Family, I cannot thank NanaGh enough because she has saved me and many of you I know. These plates, I actually returned more than 5 of them, but this one, the woman said I had peeled off the protector, so she wasn't going to take it. That's how come I have it. And that comment from her is the very first comment I have seen on my videos. My dear, God bless you so much. Keep commenting. You see why I ask you to comment? When you comment, it intrigues people to also come and share their experiences with us. So whenever you watch a video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. So with the first half of the plate as my guide, I counted the number of times I had weaved around it. Out of the 36, I had 9 holes left. So I made sure that I'll have 34. I'll weave 34 long with 9 holes left. And I completed the lesson within the shortest possible time. I want to believe this is going to be the last time that I will share a lesson on beaded plate. I am holding all things constant though. Thanks for watching from the beginning up to this time. To those of you who have not subscribed yet you watch every video, may God bless you. Those of you who have subscribed, watch all videos, may God bless you. Those of you who have subscribed but do not watch all videos, may God bless you. Thanks for always stopping by to support me. Until I come again your way with another video, be safe.